Welcome to the heart of the Torricelli mountain ranges in Papua New Guinea, a haven of untouched natural beauty. Join us as we explore this breathtaking tropical rainforest, home to a rich tapestry of life. As we journey through the dense canopy, we are enveloped by the lush greenery and the symphony of the forest. Towering trees stretch towards the sky, their leaves whispering secrets carried by the gentle breeze. The air is filled with the vibrant sounds of birds, insects, and distant animal calls, painting a picture of a thriving ecosystem. The stream transforms into a small, cascading falls. The soothing sound of water tumbling over rocks creates a peaceful melody, inviting us to pause and immerse ourselves in the serenity of this hidden paradise. The stream's journey continues, merging with a larger river that flows with a gentle yet powerful force. This river is the lifeblood of the forest, nourishing the land and supporting a diverse array of flora and fauna. Along its banks, the forest thrives, with lush plants and trees stretching their roots towards the life-giving water. The river's crystal-clear waters teem with life, from tiny fish darting among the rocks to the occasional glimpse of a larger creature moving gracefully beneath the surface. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the wonders of Papua New Guinea's rainforests and want to see more, don't forget to like, drop a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Your support helps me bring you more of these incredible journeys. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the heart of the rainforest.
Tadik-kit-tak-ka-ta-dum-ta-dum, tadik-kit-tak-ta-ta-dum.